Here is the #1 secret billionaires use daily. The Billionaire Secret. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and goals, reminding you to be sure and click the bell icon, subscribe to our channel, because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the mind sciences, and of course, ancient wisdom. High flyers, if you desire better things in your life, if you crave love at a deep personal level, if you desire greater wealth and prosperity and personal power, then I urge you to stay with me through this entire video, because I'm going to share with you the one secret that billionaires, all billionaires, use every single day. If you want happiness, health, vitality, if you want all the good things in life that you deeply, deeply crave and desire, then you must master this one thing. You must master the art of creative visualization. You must create a theater within your own mind. High flyers, this is not fluff or hopeful thinking. This is science. This is the science of the mind. This is the science of manifesting your wildest dreams. You know, the fact of the matter is many, many rich people, many billionaires, were not billionaires in the beginning. They created their own empire. And where did they create that empire? First, they created the empire within the theater of their own mind. High flyers, all billionaires, all rich people, all successful people are powerful visualizers. This is perhaps the strongest and most clear-cut primary difference between the rich and the poor. The power to visualize a compelling and inspiring future. Poor people tend to focus on what went wrong. We can see people through their entire life who went through the Great Depression focusing on the experience of the Great Depression. And even though the situation changed, the laws changed, the economy changed, they continued to live and focus with a depression mindset. And that depression mindset is that of struggle and poverty. Rich people, on the other hand, focus on what can go right, what a compelling, inspiring future looks like, what a successful company looks like. Jeff Bezos said in an interview that when he started Amazon.com, he only believed that there was a 30% chance of success. A 30% chance. Most people with a poverty mindset would simply give up. They wouldn't even try. They wouldn't even take a step forward with only a 30% chance of success. But you see, billionaires believe in a compelling, successful future because they see it and they visualize it on a daily basis. You see, poor people visualize the downside of life. They focus on everything that can go wrong, everything that is bad. Rich people, billionaires, focus on the upside. They focus on all the things that can go right. Your brain has the power to filter your dreams and goals through your beliefs. This is an incredible power that only the human brain has. Understanding this power, understanding the power to filter your dreams and goals through your beliefs and using it is an incredible edge. It's an incredible mind hack, if you will, because your beliefs determine what you see. Your beliefs determine the reality that you are present in, that is around you. High flyers, you are the master programmer of your own brain. You are in control of your own destiny. In the past, other people had control of your brain and the beliefs that you had. Your parents, your family, your peer groups, your teachers. All of these people had control, had input. They were programming your brain, just like you program a computer. But now, as an adult, you are the master programmer, and you are responsible for the programming that goes into your brain. Now that you have this power, you can use it like billionaires do to change the outcome of your entire life. Whatever you believe, your brain will search out evidence of that belief. It will try to prove that belief. This is very, very important. Negative thoughts of failure tend to get bigger. So if you have beliefs of failure, of past defeats, you will look for situations and you will entertain thoughts that prove those beliefs and those experiences. This is very, very important. But positive thoughts of success can also get bigger. And this is exactly what billionaires do. They focus their mind on the positive thoughts of success, not the negative thoughts of failure. Now, high flyers, this whole process of filtering out thoughts, allowing some thoughts into your mind and other thoughts out, this whole process happens through a function of your brain called the Reticular Activating System, the RAS for short. The RAS filters out what you don't believe and allows into your consciousness and into your mind what you do believe. If you, therefore, believe in incredible wealth and success, then that belief you will look for and you will allow evidence to come into your brain to prove that, to reinforce that belief. The key to billionaire success is the reprogramming of the reticular activating system within the brain. There are 4 primary methods that I'm going to share with you right now. These methods are used to change the RAS, or reticular activating system within the brain. Number 1 is creative visualization. All billionaires are good at visualizing. They can see a compelling future. Colonel Sanders could see all kinds of restaurants all over the country selling his chicken when he was still living in the back of an old Cadillac. You see, they have this power, and this is an incredible power that you must develop. Number 2 is miracle hypnosis. Hypnosis has the power to change locked in, old, tired beliefs and turn them into powerful, exhilarating, exciting, passionate new beliefs. Incantations, direct commands to the subconscious mind, and affirmations. But for this video, we're talking about creative visualization, or what I like to call theater of the mind. Creative visualization allows you to reprogram your brain so that you have the ability to see what was invisible in the past. You know, it's interesting to note that when you reprogram, your brain to see opportunity. All of a sudden, opportunities show up and you go, well, they never showed up before. I never saw these opportunities before. That's because your brain was filtering them out through the RAS. It was literally filtering out these opportunities of incredible wealth, billionaire opportunities. So high flyers, as you practice the techniques I'm going to give you here in just a moment, your brain will spot incredible opportunities for wealth and abundance. Your brain will also spot coincidences. Things will start to come together. People will come together. Opportunities will come together. It's going to feel incredible to you. At first, you're going to go, what the hell is happening to me? This is incredible. Everything is falling into place. But it's because you are practicing daily the power of creative visualization, theater of the mind. So high flyers, the first thing you must do is write down your intentions for the coming year. Write them down. Don't just think about them. Don't just say, well, I know what they are. Write them down on paper and don't type them. Write them. Write them with your hand, a pen, and a piece of paper. Write them down. Number 2, do a specific 5-minute visualization for each intention or goal that you have written down. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. But commit to doing this visualization each and every day. You can do it when you wake up in the morning, or you can do it as you fall asleep at night. As you are visualizing high flyers, visualize what your life feels like. In other words, don't visualize about wanting something, visualize about having something or being something. If you're visualizing, for example, yourself at the gym, see yourself at the gym. See and feel your new body and the strength in your body. Feel how good it feels to lift those weights or ride that bicycle or do that yoga. Feel it within your body, within your mind, within your visualization. Visualize next in present tense. This is very important. Not the past. Don't futurize. In other words, don't say, I want this. Visualize as if you have it. And then add as many of your sensory factors as you can. Smell, sight, sound, feel. Add as many as you possibly can to your visualization. And then finally, emotionalize it big. You see, billionaires emotionalize their visualization. They see it in their mind and they get excited about it. They visualize it and then emotionalize it. See yourself with the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you absolutely deserve. You see, what you are doing with this visualizing every single day is you are retraining your brain. Understand this. This is very important. Imagination and memory are one and the same to your brain. I need to repeat that. Imagination, what you visualize, theater of the mind, and memory, what you've experienced, are one and the same to your brain. So think about this, high flyers. The more you practice creative visualization with intense emotion, 5 minutes for each goal, the more you practice, the more it will become your new reality. In other words, it will displace the negative thoughts and memories that currently live in your brain that are filtering out your opportunities of incredible wealth. High flyers, this is actually a powerful way of clearing out fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs. You are encoding your dreams and goals as real memories through creative visualization, through the power of the theater of the mind. Okay, 5 minutes a day for each goal. And you might want to limit yourself to 5 primary goals to begin with. And you can do some of your goals in the morning and some in the afternoon. But it's important that you have consistency. You see, billionaires focus on visualizing what they desire every single day. As you continue to practice this method, you will become more and more aware of a new reality, and more importantly, your bank account will become aware of a new reality. Thus, you have retrained your mind to become a magnet for wealth, abundance, and money. High flyers, your mind is the connecting link to the universe. Nothing is more important than the power of your mind. You are a co-creator of your reality. You have no limits. You have no boundaries. Now, if we can help you, visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com to help you with reprogramming your mind for incredible wealth and success. Miracle Hypnosis Online. Try our programs for 7 days, absolutely free. It's our gift from us to you, Rachel and I to you. We absolutely believe in these programs, and people all over the world are beginning to receive incredible results. Thank you so much, and have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.